Unlock the power of AI by connecting your favorite apps directly to your Pinecone vector database using the magic of Zapier. First, let's dive into Zapier and create a new Zap, which is essentially an automated workflow hit that creates app button to get started. Now, we need a trigger app. The app that starts our automation. Let's use Google Sheets. As an example, search for Google Sheets and select it. Next, choose the trigger event. Select New Spreadsheet Row so that whenever a new row is added to your sheet, it will trigger our Zap. Connect your Google Sheets account to Zapier. We'll need to grant Zapier permission to access your Google Sheets data. Now, tell Zapier which specific spreadsheet and worksheet to monitor for new rows. Select the correct spreadsheet and worksheet from the drop-down menus. Great! It's time to set up the action. What happens after a new row is added? Search for Pinecone and select it. Choose Upsert Vector as the action event. This will upload the data from your spreadsheet right into your Pinecone vector database. Now connect your Pinecone account to Zapier, requiring your API key and environment, which you can find in your Pinecone console. Make sure you copy and paste these correctly. Map the data from your Google Sheet columns to the appropriate fields in Pinecone. For example, you'll need to specify which columns contain the data you want to vectorize. Finally, test your Zap to make sure everything is working correctly. Once you're happy with the setup, switch your Zap from draft to published, and that's it.